Hello friends, today we are going to see about the other 5 periods of the Paleozoic era. So let's start the video. Intro please, noobs.
Okay, my dear boss.
So friends, let's start with the Ordovician period. In geological time, Ordovician period is considered as the second period of the Paleozoic era. It began around 485.4 million years ago and ended at 443.8 million years ago. And Ordovician rocks were been considered to be at the highest evolution on Earth, like the top of Mount Everest. And I would like to show you some of the fossils of the creatures existed in Ordovician period. Ordovician period is known for its significant changes in the plate tectonics, climates, and biological system. And during this period only, there is an intensive diversification of marine animals, which is known as Ordovician radiation, and which have been persisted the appearances of the almost every modern phylum. Scientists say that during this period only the first ever land plants came into existence, and there comes the inverting arthropods too. Friends, all these biodiversity didn't last for long. The Ordovician period's extension has been considered as the second mass extinction on the Earth. Silurian period has been considered as the third period of the Paleozoic era. It has been started from 443.8 million years ago and ended at 419.2 million years ago. And during this period, the continental elevation was generally much lower than in the present days, and global sea levels are much higher. And friends, during this period only, jawed fishes were seen for the first time among with the numerical jawless fishes. This period is also witnessed for the rapid growth in vegetation and vertebrates. So friends, here are the fossils of the animals that existed in the Silurian period. But 419 million years ago, all this biodiversity and vegetation has been whipped out of the earth in the second largest mass extinction, which is known as the Ordovician and Silurian period, in which 85% of the all animal species on earth are whipped out. So friends, here we are to the Devonian period, which is considered as the interval of Paleozoic era, and this period only bony fishes have developed very well. So this period is also considered as the ages of fishes or the golden era of fish, which lasted from 419.2 million years ago to 358.9 million years. And here are the fossils of animals that have existed in this period. And by the end of the period, the amphibians have started to develop. But the Devonian period also has its own ending. Like the late Devonian extinction has been noted as the one of the 5 major extinction events in the history of life on Earth. So by this we can understand that how many organs have been whipped in this process. The Carboniferous period. It is considered as the fifth period of the Paleozoic era, and it is one of the longest period in the Paleozoic era, which is approximately 60 million years, which is started from 358.9 million years to ended at 298.9 million years. In this year only, many insects have multiplied at very fast rates, and even trees glued in strands, and amphibians have continued to evolve, and by the end of these periods, reptiles have made their appearance on the stage of life. Among all extinctions, the Carboniferous extinction is considered to be the smallest or minor extinction that occurred around 298.9 million years ago. So friends, here we are to the last period of the Paleozoic era, which is the Permian period, and during this period only the number of insects and reptiles on land have increased vastly, and later the first ever appearance of the conical trees was seen, and the south poles are covered with ice and the seas are very shallow. This period has fully filled with such events, and the ending also has also led to the ending of Paleozoic era and beginning of Mesozoic era. So thank you for seeing my video. If you like it, like
And share it. And if you want more awesome content like this, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon.